Hi there, Tony DeBonis here with Starline Windows. Now, usually you're seeing me do videos on product knowledge or how-to videos or frequently asked questions, but today is something different, something special. Today I'd like to discuss careers with Starline Windows. Now, I could go on and on about the wonderful owners that we have in the company. I can talk about the great products that we manufacture, deliver, and install, but there's something bigger at play here, and that's our people. We've assembled and trained some highly skilled employees with great tenure in our company that is second to none. So that's tenure that is second to none, and skill and experience that is second to none. Now, that being said, we're always looking to add fresh new talent to all our departments. Now, that could be in markets such as the Lower Mainland, it could be in the Vancouver Island, or in the Okanagan market. And that can be in departments such as production, shipping, receiving, office, administration, accounting, estimating, sales, marketing, management, contract management. It could be in drafting, engineering. The list goes on and on. And I always like to say there's nobody underqualified or nobody overqualified. So have the courage, call us today at 604-882-5100 or start off by sending us a resume to careers@starlinewindows.com. We would love to speak to you, love to meet you, and see if we can possibly make you a part of the Starline Windows family and bring you in and be another valued member of our team. So have the courage, contact us today, and we look forward to hearing from you.